China's Inner Mongolia plans to invest 100 million yuan of social funds to further improve biodiversity of the Henshandaaki sandland in the next 3 years. The sandland, located around 180 kilometers away from Beijing, is one of China's 4 major sandy areas. It has a fragile ecological environment due to natural causes and human activities, with its grassland vegetation coverage decreased, causing frequent dusty and sandstorm weather. In 2018, China initiated a pilot afforestation project in Sandland. According to the Regional Forestry and Grassland Department, all sectors of society will combine to donate 100 million yuan in the coming 3 years to support the pilot construction of large-scale forest farms in the Sandland. The department said that after years of ecological preservation and restoration efforts, the region has built a green belt which stretches 420 kilometers long along the southern edge of the Henshandaaki sandland, which has effectively curbed the spread of the sandy land.